Dante Ronkfich says, I was told by another teacher, I'm sorry, I was searching all over before I found you guys. Ha ha ha. It's been best to do Sil Lum Tao with no force at all. Would you agree or can you elaborate?
Uh, I agree to a certain extent. Yes, you want to learn to do it soft, but also you want to learn to do it hard. It's like yin and yang. You cannot just do soft because when you're meeting someone's force, you got to have structure behind what you do. If you don't have enough structure, you don't train to get your tendons to lock in so you can hit the point and not collapse from it, you're going to collapse. So you want to train, like for us, when we train Sil Lum Tao, we train three ways. We train them to do slow and smooth so they can get the natural flow, the feel of it, just so they can kind of just naturally move into it. So they teach a muscle memory just to move. Then we teach how to do it intense, which means we stress the body, we tense the body as hard as we can. We tense the arms, stress the body. We squeeze the legs together. We put our body under a lot of stress. So it's like, and we teach you how to keep that. And we do it like you want to hold that stress and you want to do it like an inch every like 20 seconds and just move an inch while maintaining the tension. That teaches your body how to create structure under pressure and teach you how to relax at the same time in it because it's conditioning you to do that. And the third one is what we call explosive technique. It's taking the first and the second form together. So you're relaxing until the last second and you tense and you use the training of what you tense and that smooth movement and you learn how to create the natural explosiveness at every movement because really when you connect to someone you can't just hold tension because for every action there's obviously a reaction, so you're going to feel that impact. So to stop that we have to create a little bit of a drive with a little torque, so the impact that comes at us we learn to move it and redirect the energy up, not try to withstand the pressure because he's much stronger, he's going to win, and if he turns the angle he's going to slip through. So we got to teach you how to connect with a little bit of arc. So we teach you to redirect the force, not just withstand the force, because that only takes you so much. Unless you're the strongest guy in the world and no one is near your strength, they're gonna break through or they're gonna slip through, and that's the way people go around. You can just take someone's arm, you can arc the arm a little bit, and you'll slip through. Which is why we need to learn how to always create what we call the drive and the torque. And we'll call the conversion points. We have to take the energy which we make contact with, and we have to learn how to just redirect a little bit. That's all you need, a little bit to change it. Like a sniper, you move it gun half an inch, and the target's a mile away, he's going to miss by a foot. So a little bit goes a long way.